Abraz on fleek.
Meathead Munchies is back. Oh, that's right. Come a little closer. Check this out. I got tri-tip marinated. I got tri-tip marinated with pappies. Okay? Today, we are gonna make tri-tip sandwiches. That's right. We also use some Italian dressing. That's right. This is marinated for 24 hours, man. This is gonna be a Central Valley cheese steak. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take this tri-tip that's been marinated for 24 hours. You're gonna take an onion and you're gonna clean the grill with the onion. That's right. You're gonna cook it on direct heat for 10 minutes on each side. Come check this out. 10 minutes on each side of direct heat. 10 minutes, direct side, each heat. Then do 20 minutes of indirect heat on each side. Whew, that's right. We're going to show you how we do it out here in the Central Valley, in the Fresno area, all the way up from Redding, down to the Grapevine, you hear me? That's right, Central Valley cheesesteak sandwich right here. Really don't got nothing on us. Whoo! You would respect your mother. That's right. I happen to have a tri-tip done already for you. Come check it out, Holmes. Look at that. Perfectly sliced with my knife. We're going to take a little bit of butter. We're going to put it on a slice of sourdough made local. Put it on the grill. Put it on the grill right here. That's right, this Memorial Day you better respect. You better remember I'm going to give it around to you. You're going to hear from me at Munchies. Woo! We're going to throw a little cheese on them. That's right. It's so hot. That's right. Just like that. Protein! Protein! You're gonna let this grill right here. Woo! That's right. Meathead Munchies. Central Valley cheesesteak, Holmes. All day, every day. That's how we do it. Ooh. Woo! That's it.